Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can screen record on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. In the right, you're gonna find your game library, where you're gonna find the list that includes all the games that you have installed. Right here you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store, and here in the top you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, before screen recording on your PlayStation 5, you need to go here to settings, go here to the bottom, and then here you're gonna find captures and broadcast. Go to captures, and then from here you can adjust all of your captures settings. Once you adjust all of your settings, just go back to the home page. So firstly you need to have a game launched, and then once you launch your game, in order to screen record, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and click on the share button on your controller, and then once you do that, right here as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to save recent gameplay. From here you can take a screenshot. Right here as you can see guys, you can start a new recording. As you can see guys, I can't record this content because I'm not in a game right now, but if you are in a game you can screen record your game. There's also some other options right here. You can broadcast your gameplay. Here you can share your screen, and lastly right here you're gonna find the capture options. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.